Understanding Docker, images versus containers. In this video, we will explore the key differences between Docker images and containers, two fundamental concepts in containerization technology. Docker images and containers are essential components of Docker, a platform used to develop, ship, and run applications in containers. While they are often used together, they serve different purposes in the containerization process. Docker image. Container. A static, read-only template that includes everything needed to run an application. A dynamic, running instance created from a Docker image. Contains code, libraries, and dependencies required for the application. Is an isolated environment where the application executes. Cannot be modified once created. It can only be used to create new containers. Can be started, stopped, moved, and deleted independently. Understanding Docker images. Think of a Docker image as a blueprint for your application. It contains all the necessary components to build a container. Understanding Docker containers. A Docker container is the actual execution environment. It runs the application based on the instructions from the Docker image. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this explanation clarified the differences between Docker images and containers.